We'll guide you through how to fix a laptop, touchpad or trackpad not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. When the trackpad or mousepad is not working, it can be a really annoying problem because you're then unable to go and properly use your laptop really because you can't fully navigate. You've still got your keyboard, but of course you can't easily go or you can't go and click on anything. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this. There are some different fixes you can try, so make sure it's full guide. Don't skip anything as we're covering important information throughout this whole video. So without any further ado, let's go and get into this. As I said, there are some different fixes we can try and we can actually do this with the keyboard using different shortcuts and combinations. So to get started, come onto the keyboard and you're going to go and press the Windows Start button and S like that. So this opens up this here, the search, and we're going to go and type in touchpad settings. You can go and see we've been suggested it there. So you can then go and highlight it. If you need to change the selection, you can with the up and down arrow keys and then press enter and they'll go and open up. What we want to do is make sure the touchpad is switched on. If it's currently switched off, you need to go and press the space bar. That'll then go and turn it on, as you can see. Then what you can also do is you can go and press enter and this will go and expand these options. And what you can do is you can go and change these settings here. So you can go and enable, if I go and press tab, you want to make sure leave touchpad on when a mouse is connected. And to go and change that, you can go and press the space bar, enable that. What you can also do is go and do the reset. So press tab again to select that. Then you can go and press enter and you can go and reset it. If you still find that it isn't working, the next thing we need to do is we need to go and press Alt F4 like so, and that'll go and close the settings. And then what we need to do is we need to go and start pressing tab again until you go and have the Windows Start button selected. From here, you then want to go and press on Shift, this key here, and we're going to go and press F10. So I'll reach up to go and press that like so. And this will give you a list of options. And you then need to come down with the arrow keys and you want to go and select Device Manager. Press enter and it'll then go and open up. Now what you need to do is you're going to go and press tab until we have it selected in blue. Then you can go and use the downwards arrow key. And you want to go and find mice and other pointing devices. Press the arrow to the right to go and expand it like I did there. Then press down again and it's now selected. With it selected, you want to go and press on enter and it's going to go and open up. So what we can do here is we can go and press tab until general is selected. You can see it's got a line through it and you can then use the right arrow key to go through these options and press left to go back. And then what we need to do is we need to go and press tab. What you can try doing here is you can try updating the driver. So I need to press tab again. With update driver selected, you can then go and press enter and you can do an automatic search, go and see if it finds anything. If it does and it runs, hopefully it solves. If it doesn't, press tab to select close and you can then go and press enter. And then what we're going to try doing is uninstalling it. So go all the way down to uninstall device, press enter. Don't worry about selecting attempt to remove the driver. You just want to go and keep pressing tab until uninstall is selected and you can then go and press enter. It's now gone and uninstalled. Now what we need to do is we need to go and perform a restart. So to do that, you can go and press on the Windows Start key. And then what you need to do is start pressing tab until we get to this bottom option. Press tab again. And then you need to go and press enter on the power button. And with the arrow keys, go down and select restart. And you can press enter. And now it's going to go and start restarting. Go be patient if this is going complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. And during that time, because we went and uninstalled it, it should go and reinstall. This will go and hopefully refresh things and hopefully go and resolve the problem. Let's just go and be patient. It shouldn't be much longer. Windows has now gone and loaded. What I'm going to do here is just go and log in. Then we can go and press enter. And hopefully now your touchpad, your trackpad, your mouse is going to be working. As you can see, I can go and move it. I can click, hold and drag. I can go and right click. You go and get the idea. That's it. It's now resolved. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you get in the future with more guides like this. We publish how-tos every single day, so I'm sure we're going to help you out again in the future. Have a great day. I look forward to helping you again. Goodbye for now.